Hi, good morning. So I would like to share to you this Sunday is all about the botanicals, the very easy, simple, uncomplicated skincare regimen for teenagers and for those who have young skin. Today I have a model. Okay, my one and only daughter, Smile ka dyan. So she will use now the botanical cleanser. At the same time, the botanical scrub and the CC cream. So I'm going to share now and start. Okay, so we're going to start now with our actual demo. She will only apply it half on her face. So
Right.
half of the option. It's your option if you want the left or the right side. Okay, so we will show to the guest half face only. So she will use now the botanical cleansing gel. Okay, so apply it on half of your face. So basain muna with the facial cloth, half face. So you greet also our audience.
Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning. So okay, so I will have the cleanser on her middle and ring finger or the beauty fingertips. Okay, so apply it and then using upward and outward stroke. Okay, so massage it for a minute. Okay, how does it feel, princess? Focus. Cold. Cool. So the botanical cleanser is botanical cleansing gel, no? The active ingredients for our botanical effects. It has dragon fruit extract included in each of our products. Okay? So the dragon fruit is very rich in antioxidants to help fight skin damaging free radicals. And aloe vera has a very high vitamin E content. So a popular antioxidant and skincare. So our active ingredient for this, no, are dragon fruits and aloe vera. So very safe for sensitive skin and for young skin. So this is for best for teenagers. Actually, princess is using the cleansers 13 years old and above. Okay, so banlawan mo muna using our facial cloth. So as many as you can. Since wala tayong lababo dito, we will use first the facial cloth. Okay? But syempre pag nasa banyo ka, you use whole of your face. Half face is for demo purposes only. Okay? So that you can see the difference. So show to them the other side of your face and the half face. The other side na nalinisan. Okay, so how does it feel?
Lang, check na.
Compared to the other side.
Mas
Softer?
It's softer. Tapos, lighter.
Lighter? Okay, in one usage. So how much more if you maintain this for 6 to 10 months, it would really improve the texture of your skin. See? You see the difference. So now, how much more if we maintain the botanical scrub? This is the botanical scrub. You will use this only twice a week. So again, basain yung mukha. Half face pa rin. So that we can see you can see the difference. So yung botanical scrub has beads, no? We call this invigorating scrub. You just massage this very lightly on your face. Maximum of 3 minutes only. Focus on the nose area, on the T-zone area where there are blackheads and whiteheads, including the forehead. No? So apply it upward, outward stroke, including the forehead. So ito yung exfoliant, another product for exfoliation of our dead skin. So we need to exfoliate twice a week. And at the same time, this will help unclog the pores. So this will prevent you from having blemishes if you maintain twice a week, no, using the botanical scrub of Mary Kay. So very simple tips, no, how to have a healthy, younger looking skin as early as 18 years old, no. Kailangan nyo talaga take care of your skin so that aside from health na maganda yung balat mo, healthy looking yung balat mo, attractive ka din, di ba? Pag malinis ang mukha mo. So, how many times we're going to use the scrub? Twice a week only. So, 3 minutes lang ba? So, this is only the 2 products kailangan natin na i-maintain. Botanical cleanser twice a day, morning and evening. And of course, the botanical scrub twice a week only. So, this botanical effects of Mary Kay is formulated for young skin and especially for those who have very sensitive skin. Okay, so this is best for you because it's made, the main ingredient is dragon fruit and aloe vera extracts, which has vitamin E and antioxidants. So, I guess 3 minutes is done already. So, syempre, banlawan natin using our facial cloth. Okay, make it sure na banlawan ng mabuti. So, how does it feel?
Yep.
Do you feel lighter? Magaan lang ba sa mukha? Hindi siya mabigat sa mukha, di ba?
Kulang pa. Mas nag-lighter gano'n compare sa other side.
You see the lightening effect. Because it deep cleanse. It unclog the pores. It removes the dead skin cells. That's why it lighten up the skin. In short, yung na-scrub natin, yun yung malinis muna na skin. Okay? This is not a whitening product. Okay? Nag-lighten up siya kasi nag-deep cleansing tayo ngayon. Okay, dry cloth na. Okay, and then you close up. Look. Compared to the other, i-pause mo siya sa other side. This is the side na hindi nalagyan. Ganyan mo daw. Mukha mo. And then the other side.
Mas lighter siya.
You see the lightening? Mas nag-lighten up pa compared to the other side. Did they see the difference? How does it feel?
It feels softer on this side than the other side.
And then,
so imagine using this as a maintenance, diba?
Maintenance twice a week, it would really help the skin look younger. At the same time, it's a daily care, no? Because self-care is self-love. So, even sa bahay tayo, we end up with our CC cream because this is our protection for the face, SPF 15. So, sa half face mo lang, okay, ganyan lang kaliit. So, ang sobra sa leeg mo na lang ilagay. Okay, so kahit nasa bahay tayo, we need to wear sun protection. Okay, so that you can prevent your skin from premature aging. When we say premature aging, di ba, nag-create ngayon ng fine lines and wrinkles as early as 18 or 25. So, in short, you look mature. You look mature than your age. So, if you want to look younger, you have to maintain a sun protection every day. So, ang maganda sa CC cream, it has 8 benefits in one tube. Okay, so it helps the skin look flawless. So if you want just a very natural glow, so compare it again to the other side. Diba, ang ganda na. And then the other side na walang CC cream. At the same time, you have a SPF 15. So, ang ganda. So, how does it feel?
It feels so light. Mura lang kog walay gi-apply.
So, every morning. So, you can only apply this every morning even if you are in the house. So, thank you, my model. This is a very quick demonstration on kung ano kadali mag-maintain ng balat natin. So, for young skin and for those people who wants to maintain daily care maintenance and uncomplicated skincare regimen, use our Botanical Effects. So, those who like our video, just hit like and share to your friends. And of course, if you like to order our products, all you have to do, PM me. And if you have beauty consultant serving you, of course, PM the one who serves you. So, if you don't have a servicing beauty consultant, all you have to do, PM me, and we will serve you the Mary Kay products. Thank you, and thank you to my model. Oh, na half face na. Okay, so thank you.